I'm about to show you how I made this quick and easy glaze for my ham. So this is the ham that I bought. This is a already cooked ham, so I'm pretty much just showing you how to do the glaze. So I'm just layering my ham onto a Pyrex dish, and these were already sliced, so I'm just taking off the slices and just laying them on there. And then I'm going to make the glaze and pour it on there, and that's it. It's very easy, very quick, and I will show you that step. So I have my pot here. I have it on high, and I put in some pineapple juice. After putting in the pineapple juice, I'm going to add in some brown sugar. I added in 1 cup of pineapple juice, and this is like a half a cup of brown sugar. Now I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to give it a little mix, and then I'm going to add in some garlic powder and onion powder. Now I'm adding in about a tablespoon of ketchup. This just gives it a little color. Now I'm going to add in some of the spicy honey mustard I have. You can use any type of mustard you want. You could use yellow mustard or just straight honey mustard. This is what I had. I have a spicy honey mustard, so I use that. You're going to let this come up to a boil, and it's going to get nice and thick. I'm going to add in just a pinch of salt just to balance things off. You don't really have to add salt because ham is already salty, so that is not really something that is necessary. It's optional. So once you do that, you're going to leave this to reduce. It's going to get really nice and thick, and that will be your glaze, and you just pour it all over the ham, and you could taste to make sure that it has the flavor that you want. And once it's reduced and it gets like this, you just pour the hot glaze over the ham. You don't even have to wait for it to cool down. Just pour it all over the ham. So I had some leftover pineapple, and I'm just going to put it at the top of the ham. This is like for a little garnish. And after putting all the pieces of pineapple on there, I'm going to, and you can use any type of pineapple. You can use pineapple slices, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to just take some clove and sprinkle some ground clove and sprinkle it all over the top. Then I'm going to put it in the oven at 350. As I said, this is already cooked, so I only put it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes, just so that it heats all the way through and that the glaze thickens even more into the ham. And that will be it for your ham. You just cover this with a foil and put it in the oven. So this is my ham with that very simple glaze, nothing to it, very simple, very nice. It tasted really good. I really hope that you guys try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.